Welcome to the Lifetime Online Room Planner. Adding rooms. Simply press the Room button and choose a room shape. All rooms can be edited in the 2D edit mode. When a room or object is selected, the Properties window is shown on the right. Slanted ceilings can be added. Navigation. To rotate the plan, simply click and drag with the left mouse button, or with a single finger on iPad, mobile phone, and other touch screens. To pan the 3D window, click and drag with the left mouse button. On mobile phones, tablets, and other touch screens, use 2 fingers. To zoom in and out, use the mouse wheel. On touch screens, use the pinch gesture. Adding doors and windows. Choose a door from the menu, then click on the wall where the door should be placed. Whenever there is a dimension shown, you can click on it and enter an exact distance. The door has several other properties we can edit. Now let's add some windows. Select a window from the menu and click on the wall where it is to be added. We can drag the window into position, or enter exact dimensions. Windows can be further customized, specifying width, height, and other properties. Adding furniture. Choose Add Product at the top of the menu. You will see a range of categories. Choose a bed. Click and drag the bed to the desired location. Dragging over a wall will align the furniture to that wall. Moving the bed slowly towards the wall causes it to snap into place. Notice that when an object is selected, the mouse wheel will now rotate the object. This is achieved with a 2-finger rotation gesture on mobile and touch devices. Let's configure the bed. Let's add a desk. Choose from the menu. Click to drag and place the desk against a wall. Now let's add a chair. Again, just choose from the menu. Now we will add a lamp. There are actually 2 ways to add a table lamp to this desk. The lamp can be an accessory to the desk, listed in its configuration menu. We can also add a lamp from the Add Product menu, and click and drag it over the desk. Let's add a rug to finish our design. Sharing designs. To share your design, simply press the Share button. A URL is created. This can be copied and added to an email, text message, or social media post. Clicking this link opens your design. If you don't already have an account, use the Sign Up link to create one. Otherwise, enter your email and password. Checking the Stay Logged In button will cause the program to log in automatically on the computer or device you are working on. Enter a name for your design, and press Save. Delete, undo, and redo. To delete any object, first select it. Then press the Delete button in the Edit menu, or use the keyboard shortcut, Delete. When you move or delete an item, you can use the Undo button to undelete, or undo the move. Redo works in a similar way. This was a short introduction to the Lifetime Room Planner.